Hi everyone, my name is Saeed from Hot Plate. Today I'm going to make Asian food, which is Adobo Calamari, and that is very tasty, and I am sure you will love it. This is the calamari. Wow, looks good. The ingredients are in the screen and very easy to follow. I had already washed the calamari. After that, I'm going to clean the calamari. I am going to remove this spine, which is plastic form. It is not eatable. And next, I am going to remove this white ball type from the head. We are not eating that. Next, the same. I'm going to remove this white ball by squeezing it, and the spine. I'm going to remove it. Some of them are small, some of them are big. Now we had cleaned the calamari. We are going to cook it. Now I am going to saute the garlic, which is around 7 cloves. Slightly increase the heat. It was in low heat. I had add half onion, and no matter what color onion you are going to use. I am using white onion. I saute the garlic and onion together. Once it's bit done, I am going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I saute it for 30 seconds. Next, I am going to add half a teaspoon of paprika. Saute it together all around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now I am going to add my calamari. I mix it so all the flavor is all over the calamari. And I am going to close the lid around 5 to 7 minutes. Now I am going to remove the lid after 7 minutes, and you could see it is a bit juicy. Wow, what an aroma. Now I am going to add a bit of ginger powder. It's optional, but usually I like to have a bit of ginger powder on it. That will do. And a bit of garlic paste. Not much, just half a teaspoon. I mix it well. I am going to add soy sauce, half a cup. And the same amount, half a cup vinegar. I mix it well, and I am going to add seasoning. This is magic seasoning. Half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and couple of bay leaves. I mix it up. And let it boil for a few minutes. While it's boiling, I am going to put a cover on. Now a couple of minutes had passed. I am going to remove the lid and add my capsicum and carrots here. Mix it. Let it boil for a few minutes. I put the lid back and it's ready to be served. And finally, it's nice to garnish it with a couple of slices of tomato on top of the food, which will make it yummy and tasty. That will be sufficient. All it takes me was 20 minutes, the calamari to be nice and soft, and the veggie which I add later only takes 2 to 3 minutes to be cooked. Now, as what you see, the food is ready to be served. Now we are going to garnish it with tomato. And finally, all around. After I add the sauce from the pot, I am going to finish it with a piece of parsley. I hope you enjoyed the video. The recipe was too simple. The food is very nice. I am Saeed from Hot Plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe.